If you are receiving this video, they have allowed for us to be at home, hopefully safe, with all power, food, warm blankets, all cozy and everything. However, we still have to do our classwork. So here we are. Hopefully by now you did all your homework and have read the chapter 10 in our foundations book, The Beauty Business, and got a good idea of what I'm asking you for as far as your business plan and resume, and really diving in and thinking about what it is that you're going to do once you get these license for cosmetology. What is the beauty business? The beauty business is a diverse, dynamic, encompassing salons, spas, barbershops, and other services, product services. We talked a little bit about the different genres of cosmetology. Some of you spoke about being in theater, doing theater makeup and hair. We talked about weddings and quinceañeras. We talked about just simply wanting to do haircuts and coloring. We talked about curly hair. We talked about so many fabulous avenues that you can take in being in cosmetology. It focuses on enhancing clients' appearance, well-being, and confidence is what you really do, is what the beauty business is. Your success will depend upon strong technical skills, excellent customer service, and business of cosmetology, right? So with this, you'll be able to dive in, finding your niche. This is what I was talking about, your niche. That one thing that you're great at or that you want to zero in on and make this great. As you've probably already read in your book, the requirements of owning a salon. You need a business plan, is what you guys are going to do for your final examination. I know you probably already have one. I know you probably have an idea of what you want. Take all of those things and really, really dive in and narrow things down. You have 13 weeks to really make it great. I will be judging on those. I will be reading each and every one of them so that I can see the fabulous and great things that you want to do. So if it's mediocre, then you get a mediocre grade. If it's medium, then you get a medium grade. But extraordinary is what I'm looking for, because all of you, when you spoke to me the other day, you gave me an extraordinary idea of what you wanted to do. We need to know the legalities, the location, the finance, and the team management. The next thing we want to think about is, where do you want to work? Do you want a booth rent or do you want a suite? So within that, with those two things, we're going to start with booth rent. Booth rent is simply renting a chair in someone's salon. You pay a weekly rent or a monthly rent, and the salon owner assumes all responsibilities for everything else. You are just responsible for that chair. That chair, all of the sanitation, your product, everything you use, your towels, all of that. But the salon in totality, the owner is responsible for everything. However, if you decide that you want to go the suite way, that is a salon suite, where I am right now in my salon suite, you assume all responsibilities. So it's like a mini salon, giving you the feel of having a location that is yours, where you are the owner and operator of the whole entire thing. So think about those things. Think about where you want to be, how you want to do it. Some of you may think, okay, I'm just going to rent a chair until I get a feel of how this works. What am I good at? What are my strong points? How can I be a salon owner? Maybe you want to be up under someone that will show you step by step how to become a salon owner. Some of you say, I'm done with that. I'm going to go ahead and get me a suite where I can close my door, conduct my business, and do the things that I need to do on my own. You are responsible at this point for everything, all sanitation, all license, all everything you are responsible for. Now we're going to talk about the elements of success of a successful salon. I think that you have to have outstanding, beyond a shadow of a doubt, outstanding customer service. We all know that Chick-fil-A is the end all, the be all of fast food restaurants. You know why they are? Because their customer service is impeccable. You need to be to work on time. You need to be ready to receive your clients, everything clean. You need to have skilled staff. You need to have your branding identity. Notice that I'm wearing Houston Community College schmuck. However, I'm at my own salon. I am on Houston Community College's time, and I'm teaching their students. So I'm so happy to do that, but I am on brand. It is important that you stay on brand. Stay on brand. You are your brand. How you walk, talk, and move is your brand. You do not want to make your brand look bad, right? So you're going to conduct yourself accordingly because you are your walking brand. Marketing strategies to build your business. I know back when I started, I was not really into marketing, right? But my form of marketing was word of mouth, and my form of marketing was I sat in that salon from when we opened to when we closed, waiting on the overflow of my fellow co-workers. And that's how I built my clientele. And these times, we don't have to do that. We can have social media do the work for us, right? So we want to share our before and after pictures, our client testimonies, which they are the most beneficial, I think, because you have that person that has experienced the experience that you've given them, right? And they can say, and you can feel their excitement about being in your place, right? We can do promotions on Instagram, Facebook. Unfortunately, no more TikTok, but we can't even do that, right? Client referrals, as I said before, were my best by far form of communication, marketing, the whole nine was client referrals, client working for me. And just a tidbit for your clients that work for you, of course you should do some kind of referral program, right? Get them a little trinket, a free trim, something that doesn't cost you any money. That's what you kind of want to do. Do your promotions, run ads in your local newspaper. You can run ads on Facebook, Instagram. You can run ads on Nextdoor in your area, right? Networking. Go to all of the Houston Community College things that they provide in the student life section. Go down there, mix and mingle, tell people what you do, develop a pitch, develop, hi, my name is Miss Tillman, and I am the owner and operator of Opulent Beauty Salon, where you are your richest beauty. We specialize in helping you keep your youthful hair. And with that, they want to know more. Well, tell me how you keep my hair on my head. Tell me how do you help me get back my hair when I was 12 years old or even 25 years old. Help me learn how I do those things. Loyalty programs. Reward your clients, repeat clients. Let them build up points so that they can come back and use the points to be able to get a free trim or get a comb set or get something that's tangible to them and they feel like they've gotten something from you, right? But it doesn't cost you a whole lot.